In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a click to call button on Wix and add a phone number. If you want to make it easier for visitors to contact you directly from your website, adding a click to call button is a great option. This is especially useful for business websites, service pages, or landing pages where you want people to reach you quickly without having to copy and paste a number manually. To get started, open your Wix editor and go to the page you want to work on. Once you're in the page editor, look to the top left corner and click Add. This is where Wix keeps all the elements you can place on your site, including text, images, shapes, and buttons. After opening the Add panel, use the search feature and type in button. Wix will show you different button styles you can use. Choose the button that best fits the look and feel of your website. Don't worry too much about picking the perfect one immediately, because you can customize it afterward if needed. Once you've added the button to your page, you can edit its appearance. For example, you may want to change the text on the button so it clearly tells visitors what it does, such as "Call now" or something similar. You can also adjust the style so it matches your branding and stands out enough for people to notice it. When the button is ready, click directly on it. A row of options will appear above the button. From those options, click Link. This is the setting that lets you decide what happens when someone presses the button on your live site. In the Link Settings window, look for the three-dot icon to reveal more options. Click that and then choose Phone Number. This tells Wix that the button should dial a phone number instead of opening another page or external website. Now enter the phone number you want the button to call. Make sure you type it carefully so visitors are connected to the correct number. It's a good idea to double-check the format before saving, especially if you're using a business number or including a country code. After entering the number, click Done to save the link. That's it. Your Click to Call button is now set up on Wix. Once your site is published, visitors on supported devices, especially mobile phones, will be able to tap the button and call directly. This small feature can make your site more convenient and help people contact you faster.